Hello, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Stories Inside IITs. For those who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Rudra Goswami, MTech first year student at IIT Bombay. My MTech specialization is Geoinformatics and Natural Resources. Today, I have with me the one and only girl of GNR 2021 batch, Miss Gunjan Kohikar. She has completed her BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now, without wasting much time, let's go straight to her. Hi, Gunjan.
Hi, Rudra.
So, please introduce yourself.
Hi, everyone. Myself Gunjan Kuhikar, and I am currently pursuing my MTech in CSRA department. I'm fresher, and my branch is Geoinformatics and Natural Resources. And I'm from EC background. Like I've done my BTech from EC.
Okay, and so going forward to the next question, I would like to ask why you opted for IIT Bombay. Have you didn't filled any other IITs or just preferred IIT Bombay only?
Like this question, I don't know why you're asking because who don't want to get admitted in IIT Bombay? Like it's the prestigious college of all over India. So like it's my honor that I am admitted in this college. So I have not opted for this. Like I am not the appropriate person to choose this college. The college has
Definitely.
chosen me. So I am lucky to be here.
So, but there is that is you are. How do you feel? Because being the only girl of this branch, so how do you feel being the only girl? Because very few
I
girls are admitted in IIT Bombay especially. So
hmm.
girls are just considered as the rarest of the rarest species in IIT. So how do
as
you
you
feel?
as you have mentioned, I don't know. Like I don't know of other colleges, but in BTech there is okay no, sex ratio in girls. In MTech I have seen like so the number is less, but I consider myself as a student only. I don't consider myself as the only girl or something special. I just consider like I'm from among or yourself, among you only. So nothing special in that, and it is a kind of mixed feeling. Like sometimes I feel lonely that I want someone to gossip and all, but चलता है, लड़के भी अच्छे हैं.
डेफिनेटली आई कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज अगर मुझे भी अगर लड़कियों के बीच डाल दिया जाए तो समझ सकता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं, मुझे like I am a tomboy kind of a person, so I am okay with both. चिल है अपन.
So moving forward to the next question. तो थोड़ा मतलब सोच के बताना.
क्या?
Are IIT boys studious or flirty after getting admission here?
No, they're not flirty at all. From my personal experience, they are both very much studious. Like, if you show them some hint, also, they won't take it. Okay? Sakti बनाए रखनी, okay?
सही
So,
बात है.
they are studious.
सही.
Studious, very sincere.
लड़के सकते हैं यहाँ के बाद.
Hmm.
So another question similar to like this question only. Being the only girl of GNR, does any boy ever tried approaching you?
Nope, nope.
You are the
Here,
only girl,
here,
so
here,
you are
here, the
always at the upper hand.
but here the all the students are very friendly. Here the environment is like helping each other in doing assignments and all. So I don't think so. There is so much of time to approach someone or like that, and it becomes very much awkward also to approach a classmate, I guess. So
Definitely.
so no one has tried. I don't know about
So,
future.
so now next moving forward to the next question, what are your expectations from IIT Bombay?
Obviously.
Placements.
No, I want to contribute like my from my projects and whatever, but
Overall expectation.
my expectation is that I want to see myself somewhere settled,
But a
which
better
IIT
position down
Bombay,
the line after 5 years or 10 years. But what is
after
your
completing my
utmost
BTech.
expectation? I
My
would just ask you.
expectation is that the most I should get the highest package, and this is this is the expectation of all guys, I guess, and
So
it's
yes, definitely. But
yeah.
you have, as you have seen the statistics of this year's, that is your seniors. So what could you expect, that how much packages are being offered to them? Are it is justified, because you have seen, you are, I believe, from a college which was not as par as IIT standard. There, the BTechs after getting pass out are getting very low packages. But from here, I am not telling about the packages here, but you, as you are also aware about. So, do you think it is justified, because the students who are studying here are uh, studying at a level which is higher than the students who are studying at any other colleges, or is it is just like the same that you were before? Would you please
No.
give some light over this?
So basically, I will like to discuss that these two are different scenarios. In first scenario, like as you told me कि private colleges का product, अब private colleges का product कैसा होगा and IIT का product कैसा होगा, दोनों प्रोडक्ट में कुछ तो डिफरेंस होगा, तो इसीलिए द पैकेजेस विल आल्सो वेरी ना. एंड इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस, एज आई फ्रॉम माय एक्सपीरियंस आई एम टेलिंग दैट I have done my BTech from private college. So there the main issue I faced was there was spoon feeding. So here I'm not able to see it, and it's good. I used to struggle here for my assignments and all, but there I used to just copy paste. So we are inculcating some of the values in our daily schedule only. So that's why the product दोनों colleges का different है. So the packages and the overall our appearance, overall our values also we are changing. So that's why it's worth it, and it's justified, totally justified to getting the highest of the package all over India. So I am like lucky to be here.
No, you are luckiest.
Yeah, I'm lucky to be surrounded by so much helpful guys like you.
No, everyone is helpful, I know. Now moving towards the next question.
Mhm.
This question is basically for those who are just preparing for their GATE 2022. So,
Hmm.
being you are from an electronics and communication background, so could you please give some light, throw some light over how does the boys or girls who are preparing there day and night could land in any of the IITs, and what is the benefit of studying in the IIT? Because most of the people are doing GATE because they are also having a mental setup that I have to go get a job after giving GATE with the GATE score. But could you please say that you the branch in which you are studying, that is CSRE, is one of the best branch? Why you consider it as the best branch? If not, then also give the reason. And if you consider it as the best branch in comparison to either education or salary packages being offered to seniors, so what suggestions you are going to give to the people who are preparing for this 2022
See,
gate?
initially that, as you told, ki after landing in CSRE or whatever branch, what are the suggestions I have to give? So initially at this moment, I'll suggest that whatever you are preparing, prepare it at that moment. Give your 100%. Don't think of the future that when कौन सी branch में मुझे मिलेगा या कौन सी branch. I was not thinking, like I was not knowing that I'll land on this branch or what. I was like giving gate from EC paper दिया था मैंने, but this was the interdisciplinary branch है ना. So at the moment when we think of the future कि हाँ मतलब मैं इतना लाऊंगा तो इतना, so we built our expectations, and when we don't लाइक हम उस पर खरे नहीं उतरते तो हमारा ही लॉस होता है. तो इनिशियली आई टेल कि जो भी हम लोग सब यू मेक अ टारगेट कि हाँ मुझे इतने इतने टाइम तक सब्जेक्ट्स खत्म करना है ये वो. सो यू हैव टू be up to the mark at that moment itself. I don't think that it's the right time to think of the future कि अगर डे गेट 2022 is your target, then you should not think कि मुझे कौन सा IIT मिलेगा, कौन सा ब्रांच मिलेगा. You should think कि हाँ मुझे आपने देख लिया स्टैटिस्टिक्स कि हाँ ये IIT में घुसने के लिए इतना इतना कट ऑफ मिनिमम चाहिए, बट उसके लिए आपको पहले वर्क करना पड़ेगा. वो तो बात की बात है कि आपको मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है, बट अगर आप क्लियर ही नहीं करेंगे गेट, तो फिर तो ये ब्रांच में लैंड करने का तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है.
कोई भी ब्रांच
तो
में लैंड करने का सवाल नहीं है.
या तो ये एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मेरा है. जस्ट करते होंगे लोग, बट मेरा ऐसा था कि अगर मैं अभी जो फिलहाल पॉइंट में हूँ, आई शुड गिव माई 100%, नो चीटिंग, नथिंग. बाद का जैसा हमारा कैपेबिलिटी, हमें वो मिलना ही मिलना है.
So,
तो
how do you prepare for the ECE branch? क्या
लाइक
कुछ study materials? Either you have joined a coaching, you can say, but
या
I'm not sponsoring any coaching institutes with this video. But
no, I am also not. I won't sponsor also, but you should, like, I have joined. I'll do some thoda sa advertisement. But I'm like not sponsoring coaching. I just joined a study group in Facebook. Like that is my senior is doing PhD in IISc Bangalore. You can find his channel in Mayank Chaparwal. You can find his channel in YouTube. So I used to follow his group, Facebook group, and I used to give myself a target at the end, at the start of the day, and at the night I made sure that जितना भी मैंने टारगेट दिया वो मुझे खत्म करना ही है. So I used to do like this for all subjects, and then my target was कि मेरा सितंबर तक all the subjects I have to finish with one time revision. And then in September, October, I started giving my test series. I joined 2 test series. If you want, I can tell the
yes,
names.
definitely, definitely.
So I joined Made Easy wala test series and Ace Academy wala
Ace
test series,
Academy.
because Made Easy was a bit harder and Ace Academy was for my pleasure कि हाँ मुझे अच्छा मार्क्स आ रहा है इसमें तो ठीक है मैं कर लूंगी, बट
दिल को
Made Easy
सुकून
यार
मिलता है.
हाँ मोरल सपोर्ट के लिए मैंने किया था. एंड Made Easy तो अपनी दिखा देता था कि यार तुम कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो. तो Made Easy मोरल सपोर्ट डाउन करता था, बट वो भी एक अच्छी बात थी कि हाँ मुझे अपनी गलतियां पता चल रही थी. सो आई मेड श्योर दैट आई हैव कंप्लीटेड माय सिलेबस टिल September itself, and then I started revision. And for material, I downloaded a free material of Ace Academy and some material of Made Easy. But I printed, I made its photocopy and all, and then I followed it. And as I told you that मेरा वही था कि अगर सुबह मैंने ये टारगेट लिया है तो मैं चाहे वो 1 घंटे में खत्म करूँ, 2 घंटे में खत्म करूँ या पूरा दिन हो जाए, बट सोने
That
से
means you haven't joined any coaching institute. You have just taken the
I
test
actually
series.
that is also a story.
From where you get the videos, that is from where you have studied in the during the course of preparation, because बहुत सारे subjects analog है, digital है, फिर उसके बाद मतलब
हाँ तो
communication
उसका
है,
भी एक
digital.
है. हाँ I'll tell you. Like I have given GATE in 2020, and then I have again given GATE in 2021. So in 2020 I joined coaching, local GATE coaching, and but I was not satisfied with it. So I joined Ace Academy deep learning course. So in that course they just provide you recorded videos, no live classes. So from
Okay.
their videos I have studied. Like I have not followed any YouTube channel or something.
Have you also studied through NPTEL?
NPTEL I used to study, but the problem is the in YouTube the like ocean is so vast. So
Definitely.
I have studied some subjects like analog. I have studied from NPTEL, and digital I don't know. I have studied only one subject from NPTEL. Baki ka I have followed Ace Academy course. So
So how
and
much time you have dedicated for the GATE 2021
GATE
specifically?
2021.
1
Okay.
year, 2 year, like that? Any time limit?
8 months. 8
8
months.
months. That means 8 months is enough if anybody is preparing dedicatedly for their
या
course.
नो आई टोल्ड यू ना कि ये एक फंडा मेरा मुझे पसंद आया कि सुबह एक रात को टारगेट बना के
Definitely.
चलो हाँ मुझे अगले दिन ये करना है, फिर चाहे 12 बजे, 3 बजे, रात के 2 बजे, 4 बजे वो कंप्लीट किए बिना सोना नहीं है. तो वो मेरा चलता रहा, हर सब्जेक्ट के लिए चलता रहा. एंड देन पता नहीं चला कब सब्जेक्ट खत्म हुए. तो दैट्स दी. एंड मैं बोला ना, एक्चुअली माय सीनियर यूज्ड टू गाइड मी, एंड व्हेनेवर आई, लाइक जब आपके पीछे कोई होता है डंडा लेके कि हाँ करो करो करो, so that was done by my senior. So I you can see his channel. His like name is Mayank Chaparwal. He takes only some sorted students in his group who are serious for while preparing. So he gives the target, and at the end of the day he checks ki have you done it or not. So I used to follow that. And
Great.
hmm.
So now moving forward towards the next question. So being as we all
Single
are aware
girl.
that we are only attending the online classes, no
Hmm.
offline classes. So interaction has just have started with virtually, you can say, not
Hmm.
physically.
Like we are doing now.
So what is the what is the difference you can say that being studying in an IIT and if the same online classes are occurring in any other colleges? So what the
Hmm.
difference you have encountered here? Are you facing any, have you faced any problem in the first semester as you have given it? So what are the challenges? What were the challenges to adopt the new situation, new scenario in this type of environment where I believe anybody of the students, any student you just pick up and he is studious from the crowd.
Except
So
me, except me.
no, 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 definitely not. You are here. That means you are special. So,
I'm like not studious here. Like all the boys here are studious except
no, no,
me.
because there is only one girl, so you are just like judging like that. But it's not because you are
Uh,
also putting that much of effort only. So that is so. What difference you have encountered?
See, it's new for me too, as I have like not given online exam before. It's new for me too, but I think that in online it's like a bit of advantage that we can be on our own. Like whenever we are like a lecture is going on, we can be in our comfort zone and give the like watch the lectures. But at the same time, there are prawns, there are cons also. So I want like इंस्टी में जाके कैसा माहौल है, आई हैव नॉट एक्सपीरियंस. सो
But
आई
do
वांट.
you have you find that there is any lag in the quality of education that is being imparted by the teachers, the professors to the
Nope,
students,
nope, nope, nope.
or they are trying their because
They are trying their 100%, and they are giving their more than 100%. I have seen, because see, I have graduated in 2020. So at that time, my semester was online, and here also my semester is online. So I find the difference that they are just taking it because they want they are given the responsibility, but here they are putting their soul into it. That yeah, we have to make द स्टूडेंट्स अंडरस्टैंड. अब कितने बार भी आप रुका के पूछ लोगे कि हाँ मतलब नहीं आ रहा है या कुछ भी है, सो दे वेट, एंड अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू गेट इट दे डोंट मूव फॉरवर्ड. सो आई लाइक दिस वन बहुत ज्यादा कि हम लोग
even
दे
I
आर
do.
या आग के साथ आग तो पहले ही पूछने आ जाते हैं. तो वो वाला मुझे बहुत पसंद आया कि जब तक बच्चा संतुष्ट नहीं है तब तक दे वोंट मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो ये, और यहाँ पे कैसा है कि इन प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस लाइक फ्रॉम माई एक्स कॉलेज, एक्स कॉलेज मतलब इनिशियल कॉलेज, तो वहां पे दे जस्ट वांटेड टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस, बट हियर इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सिलेबस, इट्स अबाउट द कंटेंट एंड क्वालिटी. So even they will take extra lectures, it's fine, but they want that quality should be maintained. And because अभी IIT है तो ऐसे ही तो नहीं है, तो कुछ तो होगा ना. तो वही चीज है, यहाँ पे 19 है तो यहाँ पे तो 100 है, तो 19-20 का भी फर्क नहीं है. So like this is the thing.
So the last question, coming down to the last question. So any words of wisdom for the students, preferably from the ECE branch who are preparing for GATE 2022?
मैं कोई ऐसी ज्ञानी बाबा
Because
तो हूँ
the
नहीं.
distance,
हाँ.
the time is in February. They have to give the gate. So
हम्म.
any words of wisdom? Last में मतलब 2020 कैसे खेला जाए या कुछ इस तरीके का मतलब
देखो
लास्ट
2020
प्रिपरेशन.
खेलना ये सिर्फ बातें हैं, बट देन टू आई लाइक मैं बोलूंगी कि अभी कौन सा, अभी दिसंबर आ गया है, तो अभी तो आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट सीरीज, और अगर जो भी रहेगा, मतलब जितना भी सब्जेक्ट अभी पेंडिंग है, जस्ट सी द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स, और जो फ्रीक्वेंट टॉपिक है वही देख लो, बाकी अभी कुछ नया छूने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट सीरीज टेस्ट सीरीज, उससे जितना भी रॉन्ग होता है नोट डाउन, जॉट डाउन, एंड देन सी दैट वो कौन सा टॉपिक में आप लैग कर रहे हो. This is the whole cycle you should follow in last 2 months. I don't recommend that you should touch any new subjects, or because अभी आप नया सब्जेक्ट पढ़ने जाओगे, जो पुराना सब्जेक्ट है उसका आपके जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स अपने किए हो वो वीक होने के बहुत चांसेस है, क्योंकि हम जब नया सब्जेक्ट जाते हैं हम अपना पूरा सोल उसमें डाल देते हैं, बट वही टाइम पे हमारा हम ये भूल जाते हैं कि हमने इतने सब्जेक्ट्स भी किए. तो आई डोंट रिकमेंड एनी वन ऑफ यू टू लाइक रिपीट दिस मिस्टेक, एंड आई विल जस्ट रिकमेंड कि हाँ ठीक है, अगर इतना इतना सब्जेक्ट्स बचा है ठीक है, उसको हम लोग टेस्ट सीरीज के थ्रू करेंगे. अगर कुछ लग रहा है कि हाँ अभी इसमें मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं या कुछ भी, तो यू शुड लाइक रेक्टिफाई इट थ्रू टेस्ट सीरीज. और सबसे अच्छा एक मैंने अच्छा हुआ बताया कि यू शुड गिव एटलीस्ट लास्ट 10 years के पेपर्स एज अ टेस्ट, कि मतलब एज अ टेस्ट टाइमर लगा के माहौल में बैठ के, क्योंकि देखो टेस्ट सीरीज में कैसा मेडीजी ले लो, एस अकेडमी ले लो, आई एम लाइक मैं अपना बता रही हूँ कि मेडीजी ले लो, टेस्ट अकेडमी ले लो, दोनों का वेरिएशन जो अपना डिफिकल्टी लेवल है बहुत वेरी करता है. बट पिछले साल का पेपर में जो डिफिकल्टी रहेगा उससे आपको समझेगा कि कैसा हमने कैसा वी हैव डन ऑल द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस लाइक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट वाइज और टॉपिक वाइज, कि हाँ अभी मैंने एनालॉग के सारे कर लिए, डिजिटल के सारे कर लिए, बट वी हैव नॉट गिवन इट इन अ शफल्ड मैनर. सो वी शुड गिव एक साथ बैठ के कि सारे क्वेश्चन एप्टी मैथ्स और ये सब आ जाता है, जो भी गेट का एक्चुअल पेपर है, तो हाउ कैन वी टैकल इट, अगर मैं जल्दी कर लेता हूँ या फिर मुझे टाइम लग रहा है या फिर मैं कैसे मैनेज कर रहा हूँ, तो वो प्रीवियस 10 years के पेपर तो एक बार हाथ से निकलने ही चाहिए. तो मैंने ऐसे किया था लास्ट के मैंने थोड़ा पैनिक करके एक दिन में 2 पेपर दे दिया, बट यू हैव टाइम, लाइक दिसंबर हो रहा है तो जनवरी एंड जनवरी में आप ऐसा कर सकते हो कि एक दिन छोड़ के पेपर दो, बट अच्छे से दो, एक दिन में 2 पेपर दे सकते हो 2 पेपर दो, बट मोर देन 2 आई वोंट रिकमेंड, क्योंकि पेपर देना बहुत ज्यादा मेंटल स्ट्रेस होता है कि पूरा कंसंट्रेशन वहां देना पड़ता है. तो आप वही करो कि पेपर दो, अपने बुक में जाओ, शॉर्ट नोट्स में जाओ, जो जो रॉन्ग हुआ है वहां देखो एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड. डोंट स्टक एट अ पॉइंट कि हाँ नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं इसको करके ही रहूंगा, या डोंट डू दैट. क्योंकि ये सब करते हैं, मैंने भी किया था अपने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में कि मैंने अपनी ईगो में ले लिया, गुंजन तू तो कर नहीं पा रही है, ये कैसे हो रहा है, तो नहीं हो रहा है, हम कोई सुपर ह्यूमन नहीं है, नहीं हो रहा है छोड़ दो, आगे बढ़ो, कुछ इतना ये नहीं हमने वो टॉपिक अगर छोड़ा है तो कोई और अपनी एग्जाम में वो स्टक करेगा और उसका टाइम जाएगा. तो आई डोंट वांट यू एज टू रिपीट इट. सो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम में जब 2020 में पेपर दिया था मेरा टाइम कम पड़ गया था, क्योंकि आई वाज स्टक एट एनालॉग का एग्जाम था. आई वाज लाइक एनालॉग मेरा अच्छा था, पर मेरा वो मैं सोची थी कि कैसे ये नहीं बन रहा है मेरा, गुंजन तुझे आता है. सो आई वाज लाइक हैव टेकन इट माई ऑन माई ईगो, एंड कॉम्बिनेशन का जो एकदम चिंदी सा पेपर क्वेश्चन था वो मैंने छोड़ दिया था, क्योंकि मेरा टाइम बच गया, मतलब टाइम खत्म हो गया.
जो भी सुन रहे होंगे ये वीडियो को, तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन का स्टैंडर्ड बहुत बढ़ सकता है.
अरे अरे नहीं नहीं, तो चिल रहो बस, मस्त खाओ पियो मजे करो, और डोंट फास्ट फूड वगैरह अवॉइड करो, जो भी है बाहर जाना कम करो, फैमिली के साथ रहो, और स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, और टेस्ट सीरीज देते रहो, बस यही अभी मंत्र होना चाहिए. टेस्ट सीरीज रिवीजन, टेस्ट सीरीज रिवीजन, बस.
Chalo Gunjan, thank you
ज्यादा
so
बोल
much
दिया
for your
मैंने.
time and sharing your experiences with all the viewers.
Yeah, thank you,
Hope
thank
this
you.
video was informative. Please
Mm.
like, share, and comment so that I can add more videos like this. Also, you can contact me through the mail ID that I have provided in the descriptions below. Thank you. We will watch and meet soon. Bye.